Hello. Uh, I got myself a birthday present, and it's Miku. And I'm gonna unbox it because I'm super excited. And this is my first figure of her. I've wanted a bunch of them for a while, because I love her. But I've kind of always been like, it's not necessary. I can save that money for something else, you know, all that jazz. Well, I did it. I finally did it. I told myself it was worth it. Oh, and I got it. It's my birthday present to myself. Look at how cute she is. I'm sorry. Okay, she's out of the box. More tape. More tape. Got her hair. You've got her. Is her arm broken? Or does it clip on? I think it just pushes in. We're good. So I've got to put her together. Look at her. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Ignore the cat taking a shit over there. Okay. We've got one piece of hair. Let me get her stand out first. Hurry up. Arm. Arm. There she is. And her other piece of hair. Okay. Yep. I'm so scared of breaking her. Oh my god. Okay. There's one arm. There's Where's her other arm? Oh, look at her. Oh, okay. Okay. Hair. They're like so precisely cut to make sure it goes in at the right angle. Okay. There she is! Okay. So she is going into this little slot here. Very excited. She's my first one there. I hope to get more. I've obviously got other things in here that are all cool, but I want more of these and I'm very happy. So yeah, that's my birthday present to myself. I love her. Yes! Yeah, I shall see you guys next week. I love you. Bye.